Don't miss out on this special release and brand new products from Rongrong Devoe. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I'm really excited to share about an exclusive event that is happening over at Rongrong Devoe. Now, this is really important. This event, this release is happening on November the 14th, 11/14. But in order to shop the release, you're going to want to head over to Rongrong Devoe right now. I have the link down below. Head over, use that link, and sign up for the VIP access to shop the event. There's going to be a few different releases, some bonuses happening, and you're not going to want to miss out. So head on over. Again, link is right down below. Sign up to shop this VIP event. And you're going to love what is in here. We have a couple sticker books. We have a brand new hidden product down here that I think you're going to be very excited about. There's also some PET tapes and a bonus gift that's available as well. So head on over right now. The release is actually happening. The early Black Friday sale is happening November the 14th. You're going to want to go ahead and sign up ahead of time so you have access to shop right away. All right, if you want to check out these two brand new sticker books and this fun new product that I'm discreetly hiding right underneath here, stay tuned. All right, so we have two brand new sticker books releasing again on the 14th. Sign up now. There are also coordinating PET tapes. I do not have the PET tapes, but we all know the Rongrong PET tapes, beautiful, lovely. If you're into those, then there will be coordinating PET tapes. Let's start with Glam Babe premium sticker book, which means it's got her gorgeous girls in it. I love it. Look at the pink. This is very glamorous and chic. Glamorous is a state of mind. Loving these vibes. Yes, please. Oh, look at these. It looks like makeup. That's cute. Totally into that. I'm not just a girl. I'm a glam queen. I love all the cute bullet points. I really, really have been enjoying how Rongrong changes up her boxes. They don't look like every other box. I think it makes the spreads with her stickers look very unique and wonderful. I think the little makeup drops are hilarious and so clever. Look at this. This is giving like Gossip Girl vibes. Sparkle every day. This bag contains my face. That's hilarious. These are so funny. I love it. Sorry I'm late, but do you see this makeup? So cute. Oh, this is fun. I don't dress up for anyone but me. It's true. You guys, this is beautiful. Love the tones too. Kind of perfect for going into the holiday season when we're all getting a little dressier for all of the events. Beautiful pre-done clusters. These are large stickers in case you didn't know. Just makes clustering so much easier. Love the makeup brushes. On a bad day, there's always lipstick. Beauty is an attitude. That is very true. Love the word Fetty. This is something else that she's been doing more recently. Gorgeous hair is the best revenge. I don't do fashion. I am fashion. These are so cute. Just wing it. Life, eyeliner, everything. Yep. Alpha stickers. And then all of the makeup. This is clear stickers. Love all the different tones in the makeup. Eyelashes. Look at this. Can you imagine a beautiful like spa day or makeover spread? Maybe like a self-care spread where you're like, these are the beautiful things I do for myself. Oh my gosh, so cute. This woman is eating pasta, drinking wine, and doing her makeup simultaneously. That's what it looks like. Love it. And this is totally giving Gossip Girl vibes. I'm here for it. Loving all the different makeup brushes. Is this one? Is this one big sticker? Yeah, that one's one big sticker. Very glam. Very beautiful. And of course, we all love the Rongrong girls. Makeup is my art. Beauty is an attitude. Heels are like makeup on the feet. Oh, and this, oh my gosh, I'm here for all of the makeup crumbles and stuff. How fun. What a great idea. Okay, Glam Babe, loving that, love the vibe. And then we have Let's Go Girls. And of course, you can see the nod to the lovely Beyonce here on the front. This is like disco cowgirl. Loving it. If a girl wants to be a legend, she should just go ahead and be one. Yes, please. Loving, look at the disco balls. Those are so cool. Super into this. Yes, please. What doesn't kill her better run. Life is too short to not disco dance in cowgirls boots. Those are so cool. Look at the little diamonds. Oh, I love these. This is also a vibe. I feel like these are two very distinct vibes. They might not be for everyone, but they are. You've got to admit they're fun. They are super fun. In my cowgirl era, this ain't my first rodeo. Loving all the pink and black too. Give this girl a pair of boots and she will conquer the world. Look at this. Stop it. Can you imagine a birthday spread like this? Yes, please. Loving it. In fact, this goes really well with the Rongrong It's My Birthday sticker set. Love this sheet. You can tear it up, one big sticker. Some alphas. Those are cool. Oh, I love it. This is a total vibe. I wish I had the sticker book when I was in college. I went to college in Fort Worth, Texas, and we used to go to Billy Bob's, the biggest little honky tonk in Texas, and this would have been a total vibe. Love. So cute. You guys. I'm here for this. Oh, look at the heart dice and the cactus disco ball. This is fun. Those are so... I can't even with this one. This is giving Barbie vibes. Here for it. Yeah. Total Barbie. Cowgirl Barbie. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. Y'all, these are so cute. As my y'all comes out. This is awesome. What would Dolly do? Yes. Oh, look at the bracelets. This is a cute one. Disco Cowgirl. Let's go, girls. Oh my goodness. I love this book. Okay. This is adorable. Glam Babe. Super cool. Very different. I think Rongrong does that really well. These are not books you are going to find other places. You know what I mean? Like there's a different vibe. I love it. I love unique stuff that we can use in our planners and our journaling, all of that business. And these are definitely it. So loving these two sticker books. Let's check out the brand new product. Okay, this is fun. Rongrong has developed a PET tape storage album for those strips of PET tape that you're wanting to save and use and maybe not have on the roll the whole time. I think this is going to be fantastic. So, just a heads up, we have this large album. I wanted to let you know during the release on the 14th, if you spend over $150, that's when that free gift kicks in. And it is a beautiful Coffee Queen themed pen set. It's awesome. I saw the picture. It looks great. So that kicks in when you spend over $150. But let's check out this PET tape storage album. First of all, gorgeous, really nice, thick laminated cover. A place for everything and everything in its place. Silver plastic discs. They look metal, but they are plastic. And then we have the back cover. Wrong. Okay. So it has, you guys, these are humongous. First of all, these pages. This is bigger than a big size Happy Planner, in case you're wondering. Nice and large. And it is to store your PET tape. So maybe you have, let's just do a little example. Maybe you're loving some winter PET tape. These are some of her new releases and you're wanting to put them in. They just slide in. Oh my gosh, it's two-sided too. Okay, this is cool. So look, there is, I hope I can show this really well. There's actually two sides on this. So you could totally do, right? Yeah. You have one in the front, and then you can very easily do one in the back if you wanted. And it slides in separately. And this might be a fun way. So you know how when you have the PET tapes, oops, I cut that one a little bit big, so I'd have to kind of cut it like that. You know how when you do, or you can have it hang out, who cares? When you have the PET tapes and they're all wound up like this, and this is how I store them on my wall, on my big washi wall, you don't see all the different options. Well, maybe you have like a sample book. That's kind of what I'm thinking this would be fabulous to use as, where you are just putting some samples of what is available. For instance, this particular one, it fits about 3 across, and then let's go. Yeah, 3 more on the back. This might be a sample where you can kind of look at it and look through it and find the stickers you want. And then maybe you're replacing these off of the roll. So you don't have to unroll the whole thing every time. You're just finding the pieces you love, popping them in here, and then calling that a day to kind of see what is available. Sorry, let me grab the other half of this. This is cool. This is an interesting idea. I'm anxious to see what you all think of the PET. I mean, this is fabulous because it doesn't take up a lot of room to store. However, when you collect a ton of them, like I have thus far, you do kind of forget what is what and which ones you want to use. This is an opportunity. For instance, if you had all your seasonal ones, maybe they were in the back, you're going to move them to the front of your album to remember what seasonal pieces you have. Maybe you are organizing by color. Maybe you like the Rongrong girls up front, then florals, then other themes. It looks like, let's count pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, that was 17, 18, 19, 20 pages. Each page has 6 slots, basically 3 in the front and 3 in the back. So you have 120 slots for PET tape. That's a lot of PET tape, you guys. But I think several of you are going to want a couple of these albums because I know some of you are like me and you're a little bit obsessed with the PET tape. So you have a million of them. I will be able to fill this up pretty darn easily, which I'm kind of excited about. So, that is super cool. I love new products. I love new ideas on how to organize. I think it's so fabulous that she came up with this. And sure, some of us love to keep it on the roll. Some of us would love to have an album to flip through. Now you have the choice to be able to do that. And what a cool, innovative product idea, especially from Rongrong, our PET tape queen. She's the best at it. And I'm excited about this new release. All right, so let's go over the details one more time. So the VIP early Black Friday release is actually happening on November the 14th. To gain access, you're going to want to click the link down below, sign up for the early access, and then you'll be able to shop on the 14th. So head there now to get signed up. Even if you're just thinking about early shopping, you want to have the option. You know what I mean? So head on over, check it out. Let me know. First of all, I'd love to hear. These are different vibes. Are you a let's go girl? Or are you a glam babe? Let me hear down below. And then what do you think of the PET tape storage? Is this something you would be interested in trying out? I'd love to hear from you and hear what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Huge shout out to all of my patrons. Loving that crafty community over there. If you're looking for a crafty family, a place to belong and be inspired, Patreon is the place for you. Head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right. I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.